In the dense forests near Srikalhasti lived a tribal hunter named Thinnappa. He was uneducated, unaware of scriptures or sacred rituals. But deep within his heart, there was a fire of love for someone he had never seen, Lord Shiva. One day, while hunting, Thinnappa followed a strange pull in his soul. It led him to a temple, small, quite sacred. Inside stood a Shivalinga, powerful and silent. From that moment, something awakened in him. He didn't know mantras. He didn't know offerings. But he knew devotion. Every day, Thinnappa came to the temple. He brought what he had, meat from his hunt, water carried in his mouth, and wild flowers from the forest. He cleaned the Shivalinga with love, sometimes even with his own feet. To the temple priests, it was wrong. But to Lord Shiva, it was pure. One day, he saw something terrifying. The Shivalinga was bleeding from one of its eyes. Thinnappa didn't panic. He didn't hesitate. With full faith, he plucked out his own eye and placed it on the linga. And then, the second eye began to bleed. Now he had only one eye left. But he still didn't stop. He lifted his foot to mark the spot of the eye, so he could offer his remaining eye, even in blindness. At that moment, the heavens opened. Lord Shiva appeared, radiant with love. He stopped Thinnappa and said, "You are no ordinary devotee. You are Bhakta Kannappa, my greatest Bhakta. Your love is beyond all rituals. You have attained moksha. From a simple hunter to a divine saint, Bhakta Kannappa proved that true devotion needs no rituals. Just a heart that's ready to give everything, even its own eyes." This is not just a story. This is a reminder that God does not look at how you worship. He looks at how much love you offer.